Hi friends, welcome to the channel Doctor on Travel. Georgetown, the capital of Guyana, is a fascinating city on the northern coast of South America, where history, culture, and diversity come together. Located along the Atlantic Ocean at the mouth of the Demerara River, Georgetown is often called the Garden City of the Caribbean because of its tree-lined avenues, canals, and colonial charm. The city was originally developed by the Dutch in the 18th century, who built canals and drainage systems to manage the low-lying coastal land. Later, the British took control and expanded the town, naming it Georgetown after King George III. Even today, the city reflects this layered colonial past through its architecture, historic buildings, and layout. The Stabroek Market, famous for its distinctive clock tower. This bustling market has been the commercial heart of Georgetown for over a century. Here you can see the everyday life of the city, vendors selling fruits, vegetables, spices, clothing, and traditional foods. What truly makes Georgetown special is its people. Guyana is one of the most diverse countries in South America, and this diversity is clearly visible in the capital city. The population includes descendants of Africans, Indians, Europeans, Chinese, and indigenous Amerindians. This rich mix of cultures developed during the colonial period when enslaved Africans and later indentured laborers from India were brought to work on sugar plantation. Today, this cultural blend is reflected in the languages, religions, food, and festivals of the city. Hindu temples, Christian churches, and Muslim mosques can all be found across Georgetown, showing how different communities live side by side. Another beautiful landmark is the Georgetown City Hall, an elegant wooden building built in the late 19th century. Its Victorian Gothic architecture reflects the British colonial influence that shaped much of the city's identity. St. George's Cathedral is one of the most famous landmarks in Georgetown and a remarkable example of colonial wooden architecture. Built in 1892 during the British colonial period, the cathedral is constructed almost entirely of wood and painted in bright white, making it stand out prominently in the city skyline. With its tall Gothic-style spires rising to about 43 meters, it is considered one of the tallest wooden churches in the world. The cathedral serves as the seat of the Anglican Diocese of Guyana and has been an important religious center for more than a century. Its interior is equally impressive, featuring beautiful stained glass windows, elegant wooden columns, and high vaulted ceilings that create a peaceful and majestic atmosphere. The Walter Roth Museum of Anthropology is one of the most important cultural institutions in Georgetown and offers a fascinating insight into the history and traditions of Guyana's indigenous people. Named after the anthropologist Walter Edmund Roth, the museum focuses mainly on the cultures and lifestyles of the country's Amerindian communities. The Sacred Heart Roman Catholic Church is one of the most important Catholic churches in Georgetown and a notable historic landmark in the city. Located on Main Street, the church has been an important center of Catholic worship in Guyana for more than a century. The National Park is one of the largest and most popular green spaces in Georgetown. Located just outside the busy city center, the park offers a peaceful environment where locals and visitors come to relax, walk, and enjoy nature. The park features wide open lawns, walking paths, and small lakes where people often jog, cycle, or spend time with family. It is especially lively in the early mornings and evenings when residents gather for exercise, picnics, and outdoor activities. The park reflects Georgetown's reputation as the Garden City of the Caribbean. Within the National Park area is the well-known Children's Millennium Park, a colorful recreational space designed especially for children and families. Together, the National Park and Children's Park highlight an important aspect of life in Georgetown: the community's love for outdoor spaces, family gatherings, and a relaxed lifestyle surrounded by greenery. The Cathedral of the Immaculate Conception, commonly known as Brickdam Cathedral, is one of the most important Roman Catholic churches in Guyana. Located along Brickdam Street in the heart of Georgetown, it serves as the main cathedral of the Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Guyana. The cathedral was originally built in the early 19th century, but the present structure dates mainly from the 1920s after the earlier building was damaged by fire. The church features beautiful Romanesque architectural elements, with tall arches, large columns, and elegant stained glass windows that create a serene and spiritual atmosphere inside. The Georgetown Lighthouse is one of the historic maritime landmarks of the city, located near the mouth of the Demerara River along the Atlantic coast. The lighthouse was first built in the early 19th century to help guide ships safely into the busy harbor of Georgetown, which has long been an important trading port in Guyana. The Parliament Building of Guyana is an important historic and political landmark in the capital city of Georgetown. Located on Brickdam Street in the heart of the city, this elegant colonial-era building serves as the seat of the National Assembly of Guyana, where the country's laws and policies are discussed and passed. Thank you for watching the video. See you again. Bye.